The purpose of trademark law is to protect branding and to prevent consumer confusion as to the source of products and services. If you own a business, you most likely already have trademark rights, regardless of whether you've registered your trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. This may come as a surprise, as most people think you have to file a trademark application in order to acquire trademark rights. So, how do you go about acquiring trademark rights? Is there a form you have to fill out? Do you have to know a guy? In this video, I'll discuss the two main types of trademark rights in the United States and how they are acquired. In the US, trademark rights are created through commercial use of a trademark with products and/or services. This is done by advertising and providing products or services in connection with the trademark. Once a trademark user is advertising and providing their products or services, they acquire what are called common law trademark rights. While you don't have to have a high volume of sales to claim common law ownership of a trademark, a one-time sale or sales made strictly for the purposes of claiming the associated trademark rights, such as sales to friends or family members, are generally not sufficient. Once acquired, your trademark rights can last as long as the trademark continues to be used. While common law trademark rights are easy enough to acquire, they do have limitations. The biggest limitation is that these rights are geographically limited to areas in which you actively market and sell your products and services. For example, if you're a restaurant with a single location in Phoenix, your rights would likely only extend to the Phoenix area. It's unlikely that you could make a claim of trademark infringement against a restaurant in Chicago using the same trademark. This limitation can obviously create problems for business owners. Let's say that the Phoenix restaurant owner wants to open a second location in Chicago. If there's already a Chicago restaurant with the same name, the owner of the Phoenix restaurant would likely be infringing upon the rights of the Chicago restaurant. One way to avoid the geographical limitations of common law trademark rights is to acquire a U.S. trademark registration with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. We've all heard the word trademark used as a verb. Generally, when someone says they want to trademark something, what they mean is that they want to register a trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. However, a federal trademark registration is not the source of your trademark rights. Instead, federal registration expands upon the common law rights you acquired by using your trademark in commerce. The trademark registration process begins when you file an application with the USPTO. Registration of your trademarks provides you with many important benefits and protections. As I mentioned, trademarks registered with the USPTO don't have the same geographical limitations as common law trademarks. Federal registration gives its owner the legal presumption of ownership of its trademark throughout the United States. It also prevents others from registering confusingly similar trademarks with the USPTO. Having a federal registration also makes it easier to go after someone for infringing upon your trademark rights, or if you need to defend against a trademark infringement claim made against you or your business. Regardless of whether you have trademark rights strictly through common law use or through federal registration, the scope of your rights depends on the strength of your trademark. More distinctive trademarks receive a broader scope of protection. That's true whether you're dealing with common law rights or federal trademark rights. Having a federal registration for a weak trademark means that others can use something closer to your trademark without necessarily infringing upon your rights. On the other hand, if you have a very strong trademark, such as a coin term, it will be easier for you to go after others if they try to use or register a trademark that might not be as close to your own. If you have any questions about your trademark rights or want to look into acquiring a federal trademark registration, please feel free to call me at 480-360-3499 or email me at kevin@yourtrademarkattorney.com. I look forward to speaking with you.